I just wanted to show you how it's really important to learn how to look ahead through the corners. And you're looking into the corner, you're looking through the corner, and you're looking for the exit of the corner. And you're looking for any information you can gain from when the corner ends. So is there an intersection? Is it a stop sign? Is it a green light at the intersection? Or have you seen it go yellow light? Then you know it's going to go red. So all these things are very helpful when you're learning manual transmission and when you're driving manual transmission, because what you see at the other end of the corner determines how you're going to shift your transmission. With the automatic, I just drive around the corner, there's a stop sign or intersection, I just come to a stop and then go. With the manual, I may have to, I look ahead, I see it's a green light, or a red light that's turned green and the coast is clear, no traffic. I'm going to have to downshift for that intersection maybe and make a left or make a right. So all these things are very helpful. You get a lot of information just from looking ahead. So I did a clip in an automatic and in the manual car, and I wanted to do the automatic because this is all stuff you can learn in an automatic car. Like good practice in an automatic car, you don't need the actual shifter there. You can learn to look ahead and see what's on the other end of the corner and just pretend what's going to happen if you're in a manual car. If it's a red light and it's going to go green, is there traffic backed up? If there's traffic backed up and it's a green light, you may want to slow down a little bit, let the traffic move so you don't have to do a start from a stop. So all kinds of scenarios you can think up by just pretending to look ahead in an automatic car. So I'm turning my head and I'm looking to see if there's a stop sign or a traffic light, or we're on a hill. So I'm going to have to do a hill start and there's traffic. I'm looking to see if there's cars going to be coming up behind me, because that's what's probably going to stress me out the most, doing a hill start in traffic. And now I see there's flat ground, so I'm safe from the hill start, and there's a stop sign. But at the stop sign, it's a bit of a hill. So it's like I'm going to have to do another hill start here. So I come to the stop sign and I clutch up, give gas, do my little hill start. So I'm always turning my head to look and see what is going to be in my way or cause me an issue. So here I'm turning to see the traffic, if it's backed up or if it's open. It's open and not too busy. So I'm turning my head. What am I looking for? I'm looking for where the turn straightens out. So the turn's going to straighten out right around here. So I'm going to ease into the gas pedal. Going to leave it in third gear. This guy doesn't want to let me go, but that's okay. Hyundai Stinger. So I'm in fifth gear. I'm going to be taking this exit. I'm looking through this turn to see if I can see the lights, or if there's any traffic backed up from the lights. I can see the lights are red from here. So I'm just going to cruise along in fifth gear. And they're red. I'm going to have to come to a stop. There's a dump truck there. Traffic stopping. So I'm just going to clutch in and put it in neutral. and I'm looking into the on-ramp, turning my head, and you can see where I'm looking through here. I'm not looking here, looking through here. And what am I looking for? First, I see the traffic's moving, and I'm looking for where the turn straightens out. That's where I'm going to ease into the gas, right around here. Ease into the gas. Now I'm going to do my upshift into 4th gear. I'm looking at the lights. They're red. I don't got to stare at them. I just got a glimpse. I see there's traffic backed up. I'm in 5th gear, gonna leave it 5th gear. Just gonna clutch in. I can put it in neutral if you want. And come to a stop. So really looking at the lights helps you determine what you're gonna do versus coming really close to the lights and then figuring out if you're gonna press the clutch in and come to a stop, or getting confused or overwhelmed. The lights, pretty much, if you can see them from far away, it pretty much makes a choice for you. You see it's red light with some cars backed up, well, you're gonna have to come to a stop and put it in neutral anyway. So if you see it's a green light, and then you're probably gonna have to shift down to go through the intersection. Just gonna leave it in 5th gear, gonna brake, ease off the brakes. I'm looking, I see the light is red, I see there's traffic backed up here. I'm just gonna clutch in, put it in neutral, and I'm just gonna coast to a stop here. No point downshifting for this, and I could see from far back that I'm gonna have to come to a stop. Gonna take this on ramp. A lot of head turning here. Gonna put the 3rd gear. Again, I'm looking into the turn. Gonna leave it 3rd gear. Looking. I see 2 things. I see there's traffic, but it's flowing, and I'm looking for the straight where the turn straightens out. Gonna put the 4th gear. So here's a automatic Honda Civic 2001, and what I want to do is do some cornering with this Civic to show you how similar it is and how you can learn basics in the automatic even before you start driving stick shift. You really want to get your braking done in a straight line and understand how that benefits your shifting, because you're going to be doing your shifting in a straight line. So I'm braking, ease off the brakes, ease into the corner, gentle gas around the corner, and I'm turning my head. I'm looking for the exit of the turn. So I'm turning my head, looking where it's going to straighten out, and it's going to straighten out right here. Going to ease into the gas, going to accelerate. So I'm braking in a straight line, doing the downshift, again looking into the turn, ease into the turn, turning my head, looking for that exit, gentle gas, looking for the exit so I can feed in the gas, right around here, feed in the gas, accelerating up the hill, looking, and I'm going to brake in a straight line. That's where I'm doing my downshifting. So brake in a straight line, straighten out this turn, ease into the turn, ease off the brakes, accelerate out of the turn.